Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily. I hope everyone's surviving well. So with the holidays upon us, Thanksgiving in particular, we may need to look at our EDCs a little bit differently. You know, we don't need to go have Thanksgiving dinner with our pockets stuffed to the gills. You know, I'm very much guilty of that. But we also need to have a little survival kit on standby, and that's what this video is all about. You know, I'm gonna go to Thanksgiving dinner with maybe a small little flashlight, a very minimal, classy looking pocket knife. I don't need anything crazy. Also, my wallet and my phone. You know, always carry those on me. But I gotta have a few other things to just get through the day, and that's what this holiday survival kit is made for. So let's take a look at what I have inside. So we have the Viper Aid sling bag or fanny pack here. I don't quite remember the model of it, but I will leave a link down in the description for it. It is a pretty awesome sling bag, but I will give you one word of advice. If you are going to dinner with this and your loudmouth annoying brother-in-law is there, do not wear this in the fanny pack configuration. You will never hear the end of it. But anyways, I will digress and move along. Let's take a look at what I have on the inside here, and we're going to take a look at the outside pocket, which are kind of time-sensitive items. You want to have quick access to those dude wipes, and I tend to be a slob and wear my food on my shirt, and the Tide-to-Go wipes come in clutch. I always carry 2 with me. Can't recommend those enough. On the front side here, we don't have anything in any of the pockets. I didn't feel the need to fill them up, but take a look at the main pocket here. First thing you're going to see is my rabbit flask here, and I'm going to be filling that up with some Gentleman Jack to help deal with that annoying loudmouth brother-in-law. But also, it is the holiday season. The holidays bring good tidings, and this will help me be merry. But anyways, moving right along, I do have a personalized first aid kit here. I have some Band-Aids, some lip balm, some flossers, and some more wipes, and I even have some quick clot in here, as well as I think there's some burn cream, and that would be helpful for the person that's cooking dinner because they're inevitably going to get burnt. And also have a napkin or a hank here, just in case. Well, you know, once dinner's over with, we're going to want to watch football. And if we're watching it on our phones, it'd be a great idea to bring some earbuds, just in case. And nothing in that pocket there. Now, if you're going to your mom's, like I typically do, my mom always asks me to fix something, and I got to bring some sort of tool with me. So I'm going to bring my Leatherman skeleton tool along with my next tool. I tend to be the fix-it guy when it comes to the family. And now for the medical part. You know, you're going to be having dinner, and inevitably you're going to get I'm going to get some acid reflux or some upset stomach, and the Tums will definitely help. And if that doesn't help and things are going through you, well, we have 8 doses of Imodium in case you need to share. I don't know why I have that in there. That's not something I remember putting in there. But so I have food allergies, and this is some medicine that will help with the food allergies. And last but not least, we have some Advil in case this isn't helping with the loudmouth brother-in-law. And I think that's everything. But let me know down in the comments, is there anything that I should have added to this kit, or something I should have excluded? This is, I think, a fairly reasonable kit for the holidays. But anyways, I want to thank you for stopping in, checking out this video. I want to wish you a happy Thanksgiving, and I hope you're having a fantastic day, and see you next time.